Good morning, YouTube. Hope you're having a wonderful morning. It is sunny and beautiful out here in Sydney, so that calls for a day of riding. I am just about to get in the car and head over and pick up my cousin Noah from his place, and then we are heading to a skate park. We aren't sure where we're going, but we can go indoor or outdoor because it is sunny and it's not raining, so that means we can go to a couple of skate parks throughout the day. So let's get that started and let's begin the journey. So we are currently at the tyre shop because my tyre has gone flat and I tried to pump it up the servo but it didn't pump up, so I had to bring it here and they are checking it out. So I don't know how long I have to wait here, but this isn't something I wanted to happen because I don't want to pay for this stuff, man. Look at all the tyres here, but we're going to get this done and then we're going to go and pick up Noah, so hopefully it doesn't take too long. Thank you. Thank God that's done. Now, let's go get Noah. I started. So this is your boy's local.
Oh, fucking yeah.
Got a little spine, a little box, a rail, a ledge, quarters, bank. That is it.
Stomping ground.
And Noah.
And me.
And Noah.
Leopard print.
Leopard grip.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna strap into my GoPro and then we're gonna ride. Let's get it. Alright, we are cruising Jasper, trip with the spine, and then there's this little quarter. There's nothing going for this park at all. It's kind of just come and chill. This is where I learned how to ride with Noah though, so super sticky lip slide. Then there's like a little quarter to bank. Done with that, and we'll go 180 to spine, slow to 180. Bank, wheel, tap, bar, and we'll go bar, blunt, go back blunt, heel, and then over 50, come back, wheel, tap, bar, dump the spine. That's the box, not the spine. I lie, I'm sorry. I don't know what to do. There's nothing really to do at the skate park. Kind of cruise, hit the big quarter, bar salad, bar in, maybe down for whip, and that bar mani, cruise in. I don't even know what that's called, but mani, yeah, it's like a Kovu grab thing, I don't know, but it's fun. Ride deck grab, hand plant, foot plant, Sean Williams style thing. I'm gonna search the spine for a bit, so we'll get some spine clips. Alright, spine, we'll go whip bar, come back on the bank, and we'll go 360. Whoa, landed so flat. What can we do? Go bar, go back forward grab, and we'll go bar whip. Oh, that was disgusting. Come back, we'll do 3 bar. Put my foot down. Redemption on the 3 bar. Oh, again. I don't know why I can't do that. Switch push. Again, you know the drill. But I'll land this guy. 3 bar, spine. Backflip grind, back will go ice. Oh, no bar at all. Over 50, bar, and we're chilling. It's a necessity to bring your own snacks to the skate park, so I've got twisties, and barbecue Smith chips, and fruit cup cordial. Saving money because I just dropped 130 bucks on a tyre. Thank you, Nail. Snack break is over. I'm gonna hit the rail, but oh, casing. I need to see if it's waxed first. I'm not eager on face planting. Just chilling, bro. Whoa! I don't know what I was trying, but it didn't work. But rail's waxed, so let's do it. Backlit the rail, bar air, and we'll go ice this little ledge. Come back and we'll go board backlit. Ah! I stood on my brake. Oh, that didn't feel good at all for my ankle. Oh. I felt terrible. Ow! Fuck, that actually really hurt. Ah! Nice man in the box. I'm back. Mama don't raise no pussy, I'm gonna land it. Yeah, the boys. I'm gonna go Feeble, Nose Manny Smith. Feel. Land. That counts. That counts! Hey mate. Hello. Yeah, my man. My man. My boy over here, straight killing it. Oh, I have a trick. Turn it on the bank, switch foot, go like scooter fakie. Oh, man. Scooter fakie stall to whip drop. Chillin'. That's so fun. Oh, almost broke my ankle again. Alright, so I am chilling out for a bit. That little like scooter fakie stall thing hurt my ankle a bit, so I'm gonna give the GoPro and helmet over to Noah. He's a good rider, he's just gimpy at times, so it's gonna be pretty funny to watch. So it's gonna go to Noah Cam, so get keen for it. You'll probably laugh. Oh my god, look at that head. Look at that head though.
Alright, on the roller, going up towards this little embankment thing. Ow! Ow! Do you want to see that? Oh, please don't put that in. Ow! Ow, my ass. Okay, let's try that one. Oh! Alright, redemption. See what we got. Oh my god, how good was that? Going back up. I can't even talk, this thing's so tight to my chin. Going in, down the roller to the big quarter. That's air there. Yeah, that's all I can really do, guys. I'm not that talented anymore, so. Oh, I'm tired. Turn around. Hit this ledge, go Feeble, half cab out. Oh, and we'll go back Feeble to absolutely nothing. Thumbs up if you want to see a Kovu grab. This one's for you, Wesma. Oh, you just gotta can plan, or I don't know what the name of that thing's called, but in my trick list that's pretty much like the only thing I land every time. Oh, front lip on the big. I really can't do much. This sucks. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, boys. Did I touch the deck? I didn't touch the deck. Oh shit.
So the sesh at Jasper is finished right now. We are heading to get some food and then we will be hitting up another skate park. All depends on the weather, whether it's going to be an outdoor or indoor park, but I'm starving, so is Noah. So let's go get some food. Where are we going?
Got 3 options: KFC, Hungry Jack's, Macca's.
KFC, Hungry Jack's, Macca's. You choose. Go. Alright, so we just rocked up at Layla Skate Park. There's a couple of ledges, a little rail here, so we're just gonna chill. I'm gonna film some time lapses on the ledge and the rail over there, so let's get the time lapses going.
Usually when after I did it, after around the hour of me being up here, I made.
Alright, we are back where it started this morning. We are home. I quickly washed my car because it was filthy and I needed to smash it out because it's about to get dark. But I didn't say anything about leaving Layla Skate Park because it started to get busy and we just wanted to get out of there. So I took Noah home. He's got footy training, so I came home, washed my car, and now I've got to go and edit this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be back riding again tomorrow. I'm trying to take advantage of riding every day and filming every day for you guys. So I hope you guys are liking it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace out.